Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters at mga ka-G! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries at kung saan man kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the Green, Girly, Cutie Patuti Iguana. Nabatiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, at good night na po sa mga reading ng matulog. At syempre, maraming salamat and thank you very much for waiting for this particular premiere, which is also already set every day for this particular time. So 6 o'clock in the morning Philippine time, and syempre, I would like to ask for your thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before we start because that is much needed for our channel. And of course, thank you for patronizing Master Worm and of course our daily activities here. So yesterday I started speaking in English because I realized that we have a lot of friends from all over the world, and I'll just try to be bilingual, try to explain it as much as possible in our to minimize speaking in Filipino, but hopefully you guys could understand. Anyways, today's topic will be our first day for this particular topic. And yesterday I went to a grocery store and I was trying to find a fruit to discuss and to share with you guys. All right, so today we're going to discuss another kind of citrus fruit. It's a citrus fruit that's colored orange. Of course, most of the time we just know orange as the citrus fruit that is colored orange, as the name suggests, but we have tangerine and other stuff, right? So today we're going to discuss this particular fruit. And do you know what kind of fruit this is? Okay, so if you have ever come across a small tangerine with a small nipple at one end, ito po, meron siyang nipple at one end, you're likely holding a tangelo. This is a tangelo. Tangelo, a popular hybrid citrus fruit that is packed with nutrients and has a delicious flavor. Okay, I'm not gonna give G this fruit today. I don't know if G likes to eat citrus fruits, but I don't usually give her citrus fruits. All right, but this is just for merely educational purposes. Okay, so this is a hybrid citrus fruit that is packed with nutrients and has delicious flavor. And actually, I don't know if I have tried this before, but we're gonna dissect this and I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna taste it and how, and then I'm gonna give you a rate. Maybe share with you the flavor or how to describe it properly. Okay, before you add any new fruit to your diet. However, it is wise to understand the nutritional components of the fruit and the potential benefits and risks the fruit may hold. Okay, so dito tayo sa Tangelo ngayon. This is our first topic, first day. What is a Tangelo, mga masters, mga G? Okay, let's just give way to this little girl. G should be shown because she is the bida here. Okay, a Tangelo is scientifically known as Citrus X Tangelo. Scientifically known. Citrus X Tangelo, yun ang pangalan niya. Because it is a citrus fruit hybrid of tangerines and pomelo. O, di ba? May pomelo, tangerine and pomelo. So that's the name was derived from two citrus fruits, which is tangerine and pomelo. That's why it's called Tangelo, right? So they have a taste similar to tangerine and are normally easier to peel than the normal oranges. So easy lang daw siya ibuksan. So let's see. Let's see kung easy talaga siyang buksan. Dito tayo sa kanyang nipple-nipple. Yun, very easy talaga siyang buksan. Okay, naglalaway na po ako. So syempre, ano lang tayo magagawa lang tayo dito ng cut sa kanyang skin, right? So very easy to ano lang daw siya to open. Okay? And smells like orange. Typically smells like orange. This hybrid fruit is very sweet. Sabi po nila. and is roughly the size of a fist. Yun. Malaki-laki lang po yung fist ko, pero syempre siguro hindi naman ito pinaka-maximum na size niya. Okay? And most notably, characterized by a protruding nipple. So meron siyang nipple na kung saan natin po siya ay yun ang ating pinutol kanina yung nipple niya, you know. Okay? So let's see. Ayun, very easy lang pala talaga siyang buksan. Very easy lang. Gumawa lang po ako ng linya sa skin niya. Buksan ko na agad. Okay? Ito po ang itsura ng ating Tangelo. Okay? So, which is, they are referred to as the honey bells. They're also referred as honey bells because of that protruding nipple. At kung makikita niyo po, ito po, bago to, hindi to nabuksan pa. Parang bell po sila na matamis, honey bells. Yun. With the skin, this fruit tends to be easier to peel. And sabi ko kanina, it's very easy to peel. Kasi po, nung pwede naman sigurong wag mo siyang gamitan ng kutsilyo. All you have to do is just peel it. It's really easy to peel, is what they said here. Okay? Easier to peel than oranges and tangerines, but retain much of the same refreshing bite with these fruits. There are a few main varieties of Tangelo, including Orlando Honeybell. So there's Orlando Honeybell and Mineola Tangelos, the latter of which is a hybrid between the tangerine and the grapefruit. Grapefruit, okay? So pomelo and grapefruit, I think, are almost the same, right? Okay, so it's a hybrid of tangerine and grapefruit. Orlando Tangelos are a hybrid between tangerines and pomelos. Ay, iba pala yung pomelo at nakala ko pareho po siya, di ba? While honey bells come from crossbreed between grapefruit and mandarin grapes. Ayun. So, di ba? There's two. The Orlando Tangelos, hybrid between tangerines and pomelo, and the wild honey bells, or the what we call the Orlando honey bells, are hybrids between a grapefruit and mandarin oranges. Okay, so ito po, ganda ng kanyang bango-bango siya. Tangelos grow on perennial trees. They tend to yield fruit in the autumn and winter. So very common po siya sa mga around uh, December, siyempre winter, di ba? So before November. November, December, January. Yan po yung perfect time niya. Bukan nga natin ito. Okay? So, kain po tayo, mga masters, mga ka-G. Sweet. Very sweet po siya. Sarap. Oh, sinong lalaway dyan? You guys are salivating, ha? It's really good. So, like I said, this fruit is very, they grow. The tree may take 2 to 3 years before they begin to bear fruit. So usually 2 to 3 years before they start bearing the fruits. Okay, and they grow to be quite delicate, meaning they need regular care and a weather protected nursery to grow. So they have to be on a controlled environment. Hindi na po basta-basta na nandyan na po sila sa ano. Kailangan talaga may nursery. Okay, so controlled po, including yung water system po nila. Okay, and of course the people that takes care of it, the farmers need to check them from time to time. Right, this fruit is used in various ways, both for a delicious and refreshing juice. While the rind, ito po yung rind niya, can be used for citrus bite in cocktails. Ito po, yan, skin. They can be used for citrus bite. Kahit po yung kanyang skin, right? It's very, very tasty, very citrusy. This fruit is often made into a fruit leather or blended into a fruit smoothie and included in fruit salads. O, ini-include pala ito sa fruit salads, mga master. Sarap talaga. Yung kanyang, yung skin niya, yung kinain ko yung skin niya, pwede naman siya. Matitaste mo. You can taste the pomelo. It's different from the orange, mga masters. Okay? So as we go along, we cannot finish this in one session. So we'll finish this as we go along. Okay, so we only have 1 minute left or 2 minutes left. So let's just do the introduction. Okay, so the fruit is often made into a fruit. Okay, tangelos are grown primarily in the Philippines, in the in the United States. Sa US po siya nag-grow. The two main areas of cultivation of tangelos are Florida and California. So those are the places that they usually are cultivated. And due to their relatively low production volume, they are rarely found outside the United States. It's not found, it's very rare to export it to other countries. So usually, Florida at saka California lang po siya nag-grow. All right. So that's the introduction of our Tangelo, mga masters and mga ka-G. And for now, we have to end here. And I hope that you guys learned something. And we will continue this uh, and for the next few days. So this is our Tangelo. Remember, the Tangelo has a nipple-like side here. All right. So I would like to invite you for our Bahay Kulitan Premier Marathon later in the afternoon. And of course, tomorrow will be Valentine's Day, and we have to share love. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you again tomorrow. And God is great. Yahoo!